What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today I'm going to review a family movie that is best to watch, and especially it is very nice. Like you will really have a feel of common man. So the movie name is अंग्रेजी में कहते हैं. So Mr. Batra has a daughter. Her name is Preeti, and he got a wife. So what happened that his wife is from a very good family, whereas Mr. Batra is very common person and not so rich and always having his Vespa, and he has not developed his life because that's in our culture, that how we there are some things that we really need to understand about this movie is that we always calculate that calculate respect with the social things that the people have, materialistic things, caste, creed, or everything, that it matters the most. No problem whatever people think, but it happens when we go for the weddings or we go for the relationships of our daughters and everything. Then we have to understand all these things. So that's part of our society and part of our culture. We cannot neglect it, we cannot deny it as well. That remains in their family a huge grudge that they feel it, and her brother always feel that way. So what happened is now Preeti is getting adult now. She is in love with Jugnu, and Jugnu has a father who is very friendly, and he is in an institution. He runs an institution. So they are very kind and very good. It's a miracle that if you get in-laws very kind, understanding, and good one. So what happens is that once Mr. Batra goes to what is the party at his Mrs. house, and he felt dejected with their behavior, and when he comes back he said that okay, after the wedding I don't want to live in this kind of environment where I'm just always feeling like low. So after the wedding I think Preeti will go to her house, and you also go to your house also. The problem in our society is that as we grow more in love with each other, it becomes very hard to say thank you, please, sorry, excuse me, and we really forgot to appreciate others. Always be the first to appreciate others in the tiny small things. Then it will be very good for your garnishing your relationship. But if you will criticizing, you gaslighting others, you will always left alone. So that happened with him. After the wedding of their daughter, she left and she lived in her brother's house, and now she is planning to go to Canada. Imagine, after 25 years of wedding, this old man is picking up this line. Suddenly he meets Mr. Feroz, Pankaj Tripathi, who comes to his office and is saying that my post has been delayed because I have a very urgent mail to receive it, because my wife is in the hospital and this is the situation is. And he didn't tell earlier that what happened, but he was very silent because he was in a pain. And the very good dialogue once again, because in the Masan he said that I'm not alone, my father is alone. That is a very good catch line, but here is also one of the good catch line. You will learn it, that when Mr. Batra goes to his house and he says that uh, my wife makes a good coffee, and he brings 2 cups, and he said, oh, your wife made a very good coffee, and he said, no, it's me who made it, she's in the hospital. So it's always in your thoughts when you appreciate others. He gets all these ideas. He wanted to mend his mistake, and finally his what is that, Jugnu, the husband of her daughter, he comes up with a good unique ideas. He is always good. You see, presents and gifts, they are the ones bringing charm and the good direction to your relation. So he was also very kind, whereas his wife was also very kind, and he always brings new t-shirts. Why? Because this is how you say thank you to each other, and I hope you will really understand it and love it when you watch it. It is a family movie, must watch it, and you will see that whether she left him or went to Canada or not. So you will really enjoy it. I hope So take care of yourself and love your loved ones and all those people around surrounding you, and also value people no matter whatever they do, whatever that's their part of the life. But what's yours, you should deliver it, and that should be a kindness. Have a great week. Bye bye.